What's good, guys? This is Crypto Street from Crypto Pushers. Back again. I got another platform that I'm in. I've been in it a couple of days. This one's called Myaddsup. This one is just like the My Bitcoin too. You get it's a pay per click kind of deal with videos and all that shit. This one is based off of just the same thing, your dollar ad packs. You got to keep a certain amount of points inside a group, and that group dictates how much you get paid on a daily basis. If you're new to it, I suggest you just go straight to the how it works tab off the rip. This one you can earn up to $36 per click is the max. That would be up into, I think that might be that straight up your group 13. $726 daily, G. That's dope. But that's $36 per click. You getting up to 154% on your ad packs, dollar ad packs, which is really 54% on your dollar, 54 cent. As you can see here, there's 13 groups. I'm currently in group 6. I think I just got knocked down to group 5. I get into the maintaining your group, how that whole thing goes in a second. You already know dollar ad packs. You also this one has the whole advertising feature to it too. Each ad pack you get 100 website views, so you can promote your other platforms, anything else that you got, your referral links, anything other thing that you in. You can promote that on here, which is dope. Yeah, let me go ahead and break it down to you as far as like the bonus ad points and all that stuff. Each ad pack is $1, and that gives you a 3,080 bonus ad points, or BAP, as you can see here. Man, why that shit keep logging me out, man? I don't understand this shit. Right here is your BAP. That's your bonus ad points. So each ad pack gives you 3,080 bonus ad points, right? So you accumulate your bonus ad points, which puts you in the group, and that determines how much you get paid. Now, there's also a daily maintenance fee, and also you're getting deducted points per day, and it's just that way so the program or the platform or whatever is sustainable. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just keeps it running. Now I'm gonna go ahead and break down the math for you, how that's calculated. I think I already did it there. So I'm in group 6. So I'm earning $4.90 per day. So we're gonna take the $4.90 and divide that by 0.0005. I don't even know how they be coming up with all this shit, but it works. 0.0005, right? So that'll give me 9,800 points per day is what I am being. Is what is being deducted from my total bonus ad points. And there's also a $100 point fee for like the daily maintenance and shit. So that'll put me to 9,900 points, right? So that's what I'm losing daily. And to put that into a dollar amount, you just divide that by goddamn, I can't even get it out. You divide that by your $1, which is 3,080 bonus ad points, and that give you a dollar amount. So daily, you're looking at around $3 and I'm looking at around $3.21 per day that I have to continue to dump in this thing, which isn't a bad thing, so don't get it messed up, to maintain your group, man. But if you ain't playing with it, if you ain't bullshitting with it, and you go ahead and drop some money in it, this $3.21 ain't gonna mean nothing to you. So at the end of the day, it's a good thing. It's just a cost of doing business, pretty much. So yeah, that's how that's calculated. I'm gonna go ahead and get that out the way, because it took me a couple days to figure out what in the hell was why I was losing points like that, and I could have just read this shit. But anyway, on another note, we're gonna skip to the bonus ad points. I somewhat told you about that already, but you also you get 5 bonus ad views, which is $10 per. So that's an extra. No, this is something totally different. Each day you will receive 5 bonus ad views, right? Bonus ad views are worth 50 points each. All right. So that's something totally different, right? So you must view 5 websites, which will add 250 points to your ad point total. All right, so boom, there you go. To qualify for bonus ad earnings, you must have a minimum of 6. So that you just whatever. So you get the gist of it, man. You can just go in there. Why this shit keep logging me out? All right, I understand. So back to what we was doing. You can see here I ain't even watched my videos for the day. Your bonus ads will show up here. Click to pay ads will be here. You get 20 of those per day. Let's say after you do your video, say you're making $5 a day. Now how this works is, your money will go into your cash wallet, which you could withdraw or you could take and buy more ad packs. Also, you have this repurchase wallet. 20% of your daily money that you earn per day will go into your repurchase wallet. What I usually do, if whatever I got in there, I just go ahead and use that first to keep my and I just use that to keep my group up. You know what I'm saying? As far as that $3 and change I was talking about earlier, I just use whatever in that to go ahead and, because that's just gonna be automatic, so you ain't even seeing that money anyway. So that's that. You can see here I was in group 6. I slipped, so I have to drop those couple dollars back in there to get my group back, to maintain my group. I'm trying to remember something else. So yeah, you earn 10% when your referrals purchase any ad pack. You see, I ain't got no referrals, man. Y'all gonna have to use my link. Somebody gonna have to do something. I ain't got no referrals, man. What else is there? Yeah, I showed you the groups here. This column here is pretty much the dollar amount that you're gonna have to drop in here to get to these groups. I dropped like $70 in here. So that got me within. I'm still stuck in this bracket here. I have to get out. I'm trying to make some more bread, man. I can't keep doing this $5 a day shit, man. But that's pretty much the dollar amount that you have to drop in here. I really want to get to this here, man. $10 a day, that's $70 a week. You getting doing nothing. And the good thing about this is that it has that compound feature. You know, the money that you make, you can compound, and you can get to these levels, man, within time. You take the compounding on top of dropping a little bit extra money here every so often, a couple times a week, once a week. You can get to these levels, man, because once you can start getting up to, the group 9, group 10, these numbers stretch, bro. Look at this. What is that? Is that 60? golly, bro, that's 6 million. Then you to 21 million G. That golly, bro. Yeah, so yeah, it's possible, man. There's dudes, there's people that's doing it, man. They already in. They been in this for. I think this joint dropped 5-6 months ago. So they've been in it for a while, man, and that's why I wish I would have. But anyway, that's spilled milk, man. But yeah, man, that's pretty much what this program is all about, man. The withdrawals are on time. I can't remember how long this one took. I wonder if I could even. Is my withdrawal information up here? Yeah. Yeah, my first withdrawal was a little under $15 the other day. Yeah, so and it was pretty quick, damn near instant, man. It just depends on what's going on the blockchain, man. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. You already know what you need to do. I know I forgot some shit, so comment, like, subscribe. I'll probably end up making another video, man. Make sure you use the link, man. If you digging this, you feeling this, man. It's easy money. You just drop your money in and take your money out. Use the link, sign up, throw a couple dollars in it. Until next time, man. It's Street. Holla at your boy.